I am going to show you how you can rotate any video on your Mac without using any third-party software or any software, and it's very easy within few seconds. So let's see how we can do this thing. Here is on sample video. If I try to play it and I see here the video is not perfectly captured, so I'm going to rotate this thing without using any software. So to do this thing, at first we need to select the video. So this is a video I'm going to rotate, and then hit the spacebar key on top of the video. I mean, if you just need to select the video. Here I selected, and then press the spacebar key, and it will bring like this window. Now from here on the top side, you'll find couple of icons there, and one of the icon is like this. You have to click this, and your video will be rotated automatically. If you press again, you see now the video is fine. And as it in this way, we can easily rotate our videos in Mac without using any third-party software, and it's completely free.